sa nangyaring lindol po sa Sarangani last Monday, June 8 po, marami na po mga aftershocks at isa po to sa mga binalita po namin sa Mindanao po, nagkaroon po ng coastal uplift sa Sarangani. This is a new word na buzzword na I'm sure baka maging popular na because of what happened last Monday. Ano po ang coastal uplift? What does that mean po?
Ang coastal uplift is the upward movement of a portion ng coastline natin or seafloor produced as a result of a strong earthquake. Ito yung nangyari ng June 8, ng 7-8. Sa kaso ito may mga formerly na nakalubog na areas tulad ng coral reefs, reef flats na naging exposed pagkatapos ng lindol. So this is not the first time actually na nangyari ito. It also happened noong 2013, Bohol earthquake. So, yung mahalaga rin maintindihan nating mga kababayan na ganitong proseso ay bahagi yan ng long-term geological evolution ng Pilipinas. So, kung napapansin natin, yung marami sa ating mga bundok ay may mga limestones. Yung mga limestones galing po yan sa dagat. So, paano sila naging bundok? So, through repeated process, thousands of times, such as what happened last week. So, yung last week, 2 meters yung uplift. So if you keep on repeating that thousands of times, siyempre magiging bundok yan. So that's part of the natural process ng ating kapuluan.
Pero, Director, yun po bang, yung pag-expose na yan ng seabed, babalik pa po ba siya o talagang aangat na lang siya ng aangat?
Ay, one time palangat lang po yan. Pero kung if you have another earthquake na malakas, aangat na naman. Pero ngayon, tapos na yung angat niya kasi it only happened during the earthquake, during the main shock. So, umangat siya ng 2 meters. And then kung if you have another earthquake, say 100 years from now, the same event, mag 7.8, tapos pwede na siya umangat na naman. So again, this is part of the continuous tectonic process na humuhubog ng ating kapuluan.